In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an avatar on Zoom. Whether you're looking to maintain your privacy or just add a bit of fun to your video calls, using an avatar can be a great option. So let's get started on setting this up, step by step, to ensure your Zoom experience is both seamless and enjoyable. First, you'll want to navigate to the Zoom website. Just open your favorite web browser and type in the Zoom URL or click through from a bookmark you might already have. Once you're on the main page, look for the Sign In button, typically located in the top right-hand corner. This is your gateway into your Zoom account, so go ahead and click on that. After clicking Sign In, you will see various options for signing in, but today we're going to focus on using Google to log into our Zoom account. Click on the Google option. This will redirect you to a Google sign-in page. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one associated with your Zoom account by clicking on it. This will bring you back to Zoom, now authenticated with your Google credentials. With that done, it's time to jump into the meeting environment. You can either create a new meeting or join an existing one. Whichever you choose, make sure you're in a Zoom meeting where you have full access to camera settings. Once you're in a meeting, direct your attention to the camera icon at the bottom of your Zoom interface. Next to it, there's a small arrow pointing upwards. This is where you'll find all of your camera settings. Click on this arrow to reveal a drop-down menu. In this drop-down, you'll see an option labeled Choose Avatar. Clicking on it will bring up a selection of avatars. Here you can decide on the avatar that best represents you or matches your mood. Once you've selected your desired avatar, make sure to toggle the setting labeled Turn on Avatar when I join a meeting. This ensures that your avatar is automatically activated during your Zoom sessions, sparing you the need to adjust settings every single time. And there you have it, you're all set to use an avatar in your Zoom meetings, adding a unique and playful touch to your virtual communication. Remember, avatars can be a great way to maintain some privacy, especially in settings where you might not wish to be on camera. Enjoy this new feature and make the most out of your Zoom experiences. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more exciting tips and tricks.